Hi guys, welcome back to Longki's Adventure. In this vlog, I'm going to vlog it in English. And here we have art and craft complex. So we'll be visiting here and showcasing you all the traditional items which is being sold here, like the traditional letters and all the traditional household items and all. They are being made here as well as sold here. So let us check it out. And along with me is my brother Hobison Timung. He'll be helping me out. So please help us out by subscribing to our channel and sharing among your friends and all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. We are going to enter here. So this is the gate here. We are now climbing down. This is the place, this is the complex where all the traditional items, traditional attires are being sold. And here weaving competition is being going on. You see, many women folks are weaving in a traditional way. See here guys, many of them are weaving here. So here is my friend Nangpi, creative. So he's also a YouTuber as well as he's a talented photographer. So please say hi to my subscriber.
Okay, hello.
Just you take out your different marks.
Okay.
So that my subscriber they will know you.
Yeah. Okay, you can see my real face now.
Okay. So
okay.
Say something to my subscriber.
Kadom. So I'm very happy to be in his content today, and so now we are witnessing the 47th Karbi Youth Festival, and I'm very excited to be here, and especially in this moment I'm with one and only the Longki Adventures. Yeah, Longki Adventures. So do support his channel by subscribing his channel, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe his channel.
Yeah.
And yeah, obviously you have to share it.
I've done one vlog before in English, so this will be my second one.
Second
So
one.
guys, if you see me making mistakes and all, do correct me because I am not that expert. But then I'm very happy to bring you my content in Karbi as well as English language. So and do also guys, please subscribe to his channel also. He's making many beautiful contents in his YouTube channel.
Mix content.
So do support him also, like the same way you are supporting me. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Longki Adventures.
Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you so much.
So guys, I have met my friend, so I'm really happy to meet him. So this is called Ruptalin Self-Help Group. So this is a stall of some certain self-help group known as Serdihun. Oh, it's not Serdihun, sorry, Ruptalin. So several items are being sold here. Like this is a special kind of bag which is being made by the use of water hyacinth. So it is an eco-friendly production, and it is very eco-friendly and very good in quality. So if you visit here next year, I think this year it won't be possible to visit because tomorrow it's going to end. So I think you better come next year and do buy these things and all. All these tools are being put up by their local people. Here you'll be able to find most of the traditional Karbi attires and all, both for male and female.
Oh my God! Hello.
This stall belongs to one of my friends. So let us ask her what she is selling and how is her business. So please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hello guys. So this stall is, the name of the stall is MNU Collection, and you can see our collection. You can see all this. We have traditional and both modern accessories, clothes, handmade bags and handicrafts.
So how is the business this year, and how are the crowd here this year?
I think this year, because of the pandemic, that has affected the KYF. So the crowd is good, but as compared to last year, this year it was like less.
Okay, so it means that your business is not that good this year.
Yeah, I think the pandemic has affected the business, everything. And, yeah,
I think you all will be putting next year also, I think.
I hope so.
Okay. If
Everything is fine.
yeah, if you come across this stall next year, you do come because this year it's going to end tomorrow. So I hope.
Today is I think tomorrow is the last day. Yeah.
Yeah.
So today, everyone please do visit our stall and neighboring stalls also.
Okay.
Everyone has come from like even from Hamren and all like so.
Yeah.
It will affect the business.
Okay. Do you want to say something to my subscriber? Longki's Adventure.
Longki's Adventure. So like, subscribe, and what to say? I don't know. Share. Yeah, share. Guys, I have come across here one of my friend. He is putting up a stall here. Their stall name is my corner collection. So I will be visiting inside. So let us go and check. So she is like selling all those shoes and all. So shoes and all, and many items here. So guys, so we have met the owner of this my corner collection. So he is going to explain us what is being sold here and how is the business in this edition of the Karbi Youth Festival. So please tell our subscriber your name and all your edition.
Okay, my name is Angtong Hanse, and this one I'm the owner of this. This one does my corner's collection stall. So we have been from here since 15. So 15, 16 was not it was not good. It was an average, but people are coming. This one started coming from yesterday, and the business is like it's going good.
Okay. So what are the things you are selling here?
Our special attraction is our handmade this one what we call handmade chapel.
Okay.
Handmade chapel. This is made from this one wood.
Okay.
Especially this is local made in this one Meghalaya.
Okay. Okay.
So we are doing the product from Meghalaya only.
Meghalaya only. Okay.
So like this one, this is like this already extinct in our place.
This is kind of, I suppose, comb maybe, no?
Yeah, comb.
And it is made of bamboo.
Bamboo.
And it is, nowadays people are very concerned about eco-friendly things and all, and the environment. So I think people need to use such kind of comb. It's like very eco-friendly.
And this one we can see this one in our in Karbi tradition also. I've seen before as I was a kid. I saw this one in my grandmother, and that was little bit bigger. But what I find is that after a long time only, I could able to see when I went to Shillong. So I guess they are preserving, or I don't know, but still we should learn something from them.
Okay, yeah. So guys, I think this year all of you won't be possible to come because I told you before that the festival will be going to end tomorrow. So but then next year I suppose you will be putting up next year as well. So next year you do visit this place and buy these combs and all the eco-friendly things and all. Even the chapels are made of wood, so it is not a plastic one. So it will be very good for the environment also. So please visit next year. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and all. Okay then. See you next year. Okay. Guys, some of my relatives, they are also putting up the stall here. So I will be speaking with them in Karbi. So I will translate it later on. So let's go check them out. Come on. Ni ko pilo nang tumge ke yor ke ho. Hapuar luang long ni ma. Wang long ma ni. Puan lang bode ho. Come on guys. I will show you. They are putting several kind of homemade pickles and all, and also several clothes. They have even put this traditional concept kind of mobile this one bag. It's a very beautiful one. So I don't know how much it costs, but it is really beautiful. Ni ko son lan de bepar bang ko son iklo ho pineng ke mimi de pini si ing samri ha. So guys, she said that this year the business is not that good because very few visitors are there this year. So let's go and check to the next stall. Where traditionally made this on household items are being sold, which are being made out of bamboo and wood. So let's go and check it out. So guys, these are the traditional craft shops. They are selling different kinds of bamboo products and all, like these baskets and all made of bamboo. So these are the baskets. They are made of bamboos and all, and there are many things. They are being traditional Karbi traditional items, household items are being sold here. These are all made of bamboos, so it is very eco-friendly product. So it's very good for the environment as well. So all these stalls are put up here. So many items are here. It's very wonderful place. You see, all these are the items made of bamboo, and these are many traditional items made of wood. So you check it. He's making now. So we have come across here. One of the artists is or making something. So let's just go and check what is being made here. Pero nang liye kisemar ke
labang hordeng soilo mane hor kedang I pine lason se cuyor don lon
oh kalang di yang kanan Iklo lagi
la tharu ke thom ra phoke
this is kind of special item which is being used during the preparation of rice beer. So he said that it is being sold for like 300 rupees. So I wish him all the best. These are the bottle guard sold. Guys, I have come across one of my friend, and I will let her introduce herself, and she will be telling something about the marketplace here or traditional market. So how are you feeling visiting here?
Neli Karbi Aso je pada. Mesen ladak hiti hai ta hedi ajat le nangji pusita me humrui lo nangli ha son lo dipu hiti le damji pusita hata ka teng pentang muchot lo dak nangli jongwai kroido adora dam da pen lo mesen angko methang muni tum ke soi keret hai potado traditional hormu do lo asi nang humri non nampon Iktha adu kawi phanda chuningri hormu hai ke gopi mata nangji ta dolo hem long ke nang so hormu an ta dolap lo dakke choi pe ripen cheng lo kupma hadi ke soi keret hormu pusita hoton beleng hai ke hemi ke nang sot lo pot no pak no ke khaya jat nang bistame dolap lo lasi
nangli ratum hanadi nangli men ase thanik tha
neli men ke sami serdi hun rong pipi po
Okay, Aphan itu tume pucar li rapet lo, lasi cici ni cek bela di, masih curupar piglo. I thank her for giving us her time. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
So guys, that's all. We will be able to show this much of our Karbi traditional market here. So please visit this place next year, because this year I think you won't be able to visit again. By the way, this place is very beautiful, and you will find any kind of traditional Karbi traditional items and all, starting from all the traditional attires to the things which are being used in the household. or preparation of rice and all and everything, you know, you will find here, like spoons made of, you know, bamboos and all. So you do visit this place next year. And before winding up this video, please subscribe to my channel and support us and help us in showcasing the Karbi traditional way of life. So please like, subscribe and share. And that's all from Longki's Adventure. And I would like to thank my brother for helping me out. So bye bye and take care, guys. Don't marry tum kardom.
Please do visit next year.
Please do visit next year.